अस्सलामुअलैकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं ठीक हूँ, मेरी आप सब भी खैरियत होंगे। सो आज हम आए हैं इधर फाउंडेशन सिलेक्शन के लिए, हाउ टू चूज अ राइट फाउंडेशन। ओके, हियर वी गो। ये देखें, यहाँ पे डिफरेंट कलर्स हैं अवेलेबल, ब्राउन all too light, and then you have got matte poreless and all shades in them. तो ये जो है ये ब्रांड है मेबेलिन, और मेबेलिन के यहाँ पे हमारे पास कंसीलर और टेस्टर अवेलेबल है। ये देखिए, यू कैन टेस्ट एनी कलर ऑन योर हैंड्स और फेस। सो हियर आप इस टेस्टर को इधर से निकाल लें अपने फेस के ऊपर या अपनी हैंड के ऊपर, इसको निकाल के चेक कर सकते हैं। ऑल शेड्स आर अवेलेबल। सो दिस इज ऑल मेबेलिन। तो ये जो है ये ब्रांड है मेबेलिन, और मेबेलिन के यहाँ पे हमारे पास कंसीलर और टेस्टर अवेलेबल है। ये देखिए, यू कैन टेस्ट एनी कलर ऑन योर हैंड्स और फेस। सो हियर आप इस टेस्टर को इधर से निकाल लें अपने फेस के ऊपर या अपनी हैंड के ऊपर, इसको निकाल के चेक कर सकते हैं। ऑल शेड्स आर अवेलेबल। So this is all Maybelline. So the next brand we have got here is L'Oreal, और L'Oreal के यहाँ पे ये कलर्स देखें, they're all amazing. This is good for normal wear. These are all light shades and these are all darker shades, and these are testers available for you to try them on. They have got BBC cream as well. I personally use this BB cream because it's really good. This is all your skin tone shade. So if you have got redness on your face, you can use this BB cream. It's lightweight tint cream. Like for normal wear, you can use this. What else? This is matte coverage foundation. Here, these are testers available, and these are for darker skin. These are for lighter or pale skin. This is for very light skin. You can always check these testers on your hand and preferably on your face. So the last brand we have here is Max Factor. It's really good brand as well. So these are all shades available for light wear. So this is light beige, crystal beige, and natural rose, from light to dark. These are for normal wear, and their wear foundations are here. So this is warm ivory, almond, this. It goes into darker shades. You can choose any shade of your own skin tone. ये देखिए, हमारी प्रियंका भी लगी है। So the last one we've got here is Rebel. So I use this personally for myself. They have ivory shade, vanilla, classic beige, and then natural beige. This is for everyday use, and this one you can use like on a parties or a functions. These are all shades available in darker to light, and then they've got the darker tones and light foundation as well. You have testers available here to try it on your skin first and then buy. They have matte finish as well. You can always check the right color for your skin. Sometimes you need good food to look good. Like today's video about foundation, the right selection of foundation, how to choose the right foundation. Make sure when you go and buy your foundation, try it on your face rather than on hands, because there's a lot of color difference in between your hands and face. So I hope you like my video today, and I will see you next time in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Neerms. Take care, bye.